So I got an email here that asked me, Dear Pharmacist Micah, is pharmacy school hard? And if so, why? Why is it hard? I'm going to go over 3 main reasons why pharmacy school is hard. I guess to answer your question at first, yes, pharmacy school is hard. But it is worth it. I am in my 2nd year. I feel like I've learned so much already. And by the end of pharmacy school, then I will be even awesomer. And it'll be way worth it. So the first reason why pharmacy school is hard is the amount of volume is just much larger. For example, we're going over cardiovascular disease right now, talking about heart failure, hypertension, hyperlipidemia. Today we had organic chemistry. We have to learn 7 different structures, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it is when they're all a little bit different. All talking about the ACE inhibitors, the angiotensin receptor blockers, diuretics, and the calcium channel blockers. We also had a quiz today, and we had a public health presentation that was 15 minutes long. Luckily it was in a group, and so we only had to do about 3 or 4 minutes each, but still the volume can get pretty big. There's a lot that you have to study, and there's a lot that you have to remember as well. The second reason why pharmacy school is hard is, so I am married, I have a beautiful wife. You may see her in some of my videos, but she loves to take my time. Just the other day we went to see Christopher Robin. Love me some Pooh Bear.
Pooh Bear.
Eeyore. Freaking Eeyore. He got stuck in a river, and it was the end of his life, you know, but luckily Christopher was there to save him. Oh yeah, spoiler alert, Christopher dies. No, just kidding, he doesn't die. Neither does Pooh. Nobody. That would be crazy. You are in class for about 4 hours a day. It depends on the day. And then you want to study at least 2 to 4 hours every single day. You need to make sure to manage your time. And when you are studying, make sure you study. When you're in class, make sure you're in class. Focus. So that when you're done with school, you can go to movies and stuff like that. And the third and final reason why pharmacy school is hard is because they advise us to get a job while we are in pharmacy school, just to work part-time, maybe 8 hours. If you have an easier semester, you can bump it up a little bit, or during Christmas break and the summer holiday, you can work more. But when you're working during school, this actually goes back to the time issue. If you don't manage your time and you have this job, it can be a little bit harder. I know that pharmacy school is hard, but like I said before, it is totally worth it. And I know that you can do it. Just make sure to focus and use that time wisely. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this, hit that like button if you want. If not, then hit it anyways, you know, please support me, Pharmacist Micah. Thanks guys.